What's up, YouTube? How you guys doing? Jeff here. I got 3 packages here. Total of 3 packages. Now, these are the Funko Mystery Mini Horror Classic, the first series. These are the ones that I want, but I'm still waiting for some more to come in the mail. There was a little problem. It's going to take a little bit longer, but I cannot wait. So I'm going to do these unboxing. Then, when those come in, I'll do an unboxing with those. Alright, let's take out my Snap-on knife. It's called Snap-on from Snap-on Tools. Let's open up the bag first, right? I got all these on eBay. Every single one of them I got on eBay. Alright, this came in a little bag, which I don't like when I order like collectibles in bags because I get worried. Alright guys, they're wrapped up pretty damn good. Let's open one up and I'll show you what I have here. Okay, these are wrapped really good. It's hard to get them out. Wow. Can you? Come on. Come on. Jeez. Wow, look at this guy. Okay, we have Sam. That is Sam from the Series 1 Classic Horror Mini. There's Sam right there. He looks pretty cool. He's got his lollipop and he's ready to kill anybody who doesn't believe in Halloween. Or who doesn't celebrate Halloween. Open up the next one. I don't want to rip. Wow, this is really in there. I might have to get some scissors. Scissors! There we go. This works a lot better. What do we have here, folks? Ooh, I like this one. Ladies and gentlemen, we have Michael Myers. This guy is pretty scary. No. You wouldn't want him at your door. Michael Myers. I think this one is the smallest mini for horror out there, you know. And I thought the Gremlin was small, but he's huge, you know. Alright guys, let's open up this box. Let's see what's inside here. Okay, careful I don't cut myself. Come on, here we go. Alright, package number 2. Lots of paper. Paper. You can like wear it on your head if you want. I got 3 here. I know exactly who and they're all wrapped up nicely. Alright guys, let me take a quick look at this one before I show you who it is. You can probably tell already, but this is Captain Spaulding. Captain Spaulding, look at this guy. He looks pretty damn cool. There's nothing wrong with his paint. There's nothing wrong with this guy. He looks really, really cool. Captain Spaulding. Okay. Let's open this one up. Now this came in a 3-pack. It was cheaper, you know. So I didn't really want this one, but it came in a 3-pack because it was cheaper to get them in a 3-pack, and the guy was awesome, and he sold it for, I think it was about $30. And I was very lucky because this guy here is the guy that I really want. This is Lilith. Am I saying that wrong? Right? Lilith from Supernatural, I think. The show Supernatural. Yes, I think that's where she's from. She looks pretty cool, and she's holding somebody's hand. Dead hand. Alright. This is the one that I want. Oh, man. Oh, man. I am very glad to have this one. His armor's a little loose, but with a little tiny glue, everything will be alright. You know what? Freddy Krueger is very, very fragile. I really have to take care of this guy. Freddy Krueger. Freddy Krueger. This guy is awesome. His hand is very, very loose. I don't want to really play with it too much. It will come off. They really made this guy very fragile. So, this is somebody that you really have to take care of. You know, because he has his neck is so small. Look at his neck. See how small his neck is? It's like break very easily. Alright, guys. Last box. Some paper. And I fill a box. I hope this is a mini. Hope I didn't get ripped off. A lot of paper. Look at this. You guys can't even see me. That's all the paper. Look at that. Okay, oh cool. This guy came in inside the original box. I'm going to keep this box. There's the bag. All right. Let's open this bag up and see who we have. Ladies and gentlemen, we have Leatherface. Check that guy out. He looks pretty damn scary. And he will cut you up with his chainsaw. You know something? He must be a really strong guy to run around with that chainsaw. Because those chainsaws, those are very heavy. Those old school chainsaws. This guy will mess you up. He doesn't even need a chainsaw. You know? He is pretty cool looking. The detail on his hair is awesome. This is, wow, this is pretty cool. I like him. So, I got Leatherface, Captain Spaulding, Tutti fucking Fruity, Michael Myers. This guy will chop you up. Sam from Trick or Treat. Lilith from Supernatural. And the one and only Freddy Krueger. He's in your nightmares. He will get you. Guys, thanks for watching my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. I'll catch you guys later.